Morning friends. Today in this video I will be covering the chapter trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. In this video I will be covering the examples and exercises that are belonging to this topic. So we will start from the examples, and at the end, if you like it, please subscribe. The first example is example number 6. In triangle ABC, right angle at B. So let us draw a diagram. Triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, right angle at B, and AB equal to 5 centimeter, and angle ACB equal to 30 degree. ACB. Yeah, so 30 degree, and this is 90 degree, angle ABC. And determine the length of BC and AC. That means we have to find the length of BC and AC. So first we will find BC. BC. As we know that if this angle is 30 degree and this is 90 degree, they said angle, we know that in triangle all the angles, sum of all the angles should be 180 degree. That means angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. This is nothing but angle sum property of triangle. Angle A, that is not given, so we will keep it as, let it remain as angle A only. Angle B, it is given 90 degree, as it is perpendicular, so it will be 90 degree plus 30 degree gives us 180 degree. 90 plus 30 is nothing but 120. Therefore angle A plus 120 equal to 180 degree. Angle A equal to 180 minus 120, that is 60 degree. Therefore we got this angle as 60 degree. Now our question is to find BC. So by using trigonometric ratios, it is easy to find what is BC. So determine the length of BC means we have to find the value of BC. Therefore, for finding BC, BC, there are many possible ways. For example, you can take if you take a sine A, then it will be opposite by hypotenuse. For that, you have to find a hypotenuse. So they gave this is 90 degree, this is 60, this is 30 degree. So what is given with that you can find, because hypotenuse, there are two sides that are missing. So you can't find hypotenuse then substitute in the value, because if you take this as x and this is y, there will be two variables, so it can't be possible. So if you take with this phi and something related to this, that means for example if you take tan 60 opposite by hypotenuse, so only opposite side is BC and opposite by adjacent. So opposite is BC and adjacent is AB. So it is easy to find, only one side is needed, and that is the variable, we can give it as x. If you or you can do cos 60. The problem with cos 60 is adjacent by hypotenuse, and there is no hypotenuse given and the another side is not given. So with the given side we have to find. So we will use tan 60, that is easy. So tan 60 degree, tan 60 degree OPP means opposite and ADJ means adjacent. So this is the formula we learned for tan. So that I wrote over here. And now tan 60 is nothing but root 3. Therefore instead of tan 60 we will write it as root 3 equal to, opposite side is, we'll keep it as BC only, and adjacent side is 5, that is AB, and BC, therefore BC, if you take it here it will be multiplication, equal to 5 root 3. So this is how you get. So BC equal to 5 root 3 centimeter. And now we will solve the second part of this. Second part says that we have to find AC. I think that is the hypotenuse we have to find. Yeah, hypotenuse you have to find. For finding hypotenuse, now we got this as 5 root 3. 5 root 3. So for finding hypotenuse, we got two sides, only one side is there. For that you can use the Pythagoras theorem. This is side square plus the other side square gives us hypotenuse square. So we will first find, this is the Pythagoras theorem. Now I will rub this and we will find how we will use this in the to find the hypotenuse of the given triangle. So according to given triangle, BC is 5 root 3 that we got from here. So 5 root 3 is nothing but 5 root 3 square is nothing but 25 into 3 plus 5 root 3 and 25 into 3 plus 5 square is nothing but 25 equal to AC square. Now 75 into 3 is nothing but 75 plus 25 equal to AC square. Therefore AC equal to 100 root, that is nothing but 10 centimeter. So this is how you got AC. Here we got BC. Now we will move on to the seventh question. Seventh question says that in triangle PQR, right angle at Q. So PQR is the triangle. So we will draw a diagram. PQR. So according to the diagram given in our textbook, this is P R, right angle at Q given. So here you don't need to write given and all, it's given textbook, but no need to write given those stuffs. Directly you can do it. And PQ equal to 3 centimeter. PQ, I will mark directly in the textbook, in the diagram. PQ equal to 3 centimeter. PR equal to 6 centimeter. And determine, that means find angle QPR and angle PRQ. QPR is nothing but this angle. First we will find angle QPR. So for that we have to use our logic thinking, that if you want to find angles in trigonometric, you have to find by that sine theta, cos theta. Okay, so we will keep this as suppose as theta. Okay, so for finding theta, the only possible way is to take cos theta, because it is adjacent by hypotenuse. So we got the both the thing, adjacent is there, hypotenuse is there, so by that we can find theta. So I am using that formula and going to find this. So sine theta, cos theta is nothing but adjacent. What is adjacent side over here? 3 centimeter, that is PQ, and hypotenuse is 6, is nothing but 1 by 2. And one more thing, cos theta is not cos into theta, it is the value that it is representing. Cos theta is the value, that degree. Degree. Therefore it will be cos theta is nothing but cos, you have to find this in the table. It is 1 by 2 is nothing but 30 degree of cos. If you check means it is 60 degree. So cos theta equal to cos 60 degree. Therefore theta equal to 60 degree. So we found angle QPR. Angle QPR equal to 60 degree. Now we will check our answer. Angle QPR equal to 60 degree. Now we will find angle PRQ. PRQ. So we found this as 60 degree. leave it. So theta we got it as 60 degree. And as we saw that angle sum property of triangle is nothing but 180 degree. Angle sum equal to 180 degree for triangle. Now what is angle sum? Is nothing but the sum of the angles. For example, in a triangle A, B, C, this plus this will give you 180 degree. That is why we are calling this angle sum is equal to 180 degree. So now we will look on the question to us. For us, what is given. So by angle sum property we can say that theta plus 90 degree, they already gave angle Q as 90 degree, plus angle R equal to 180 degree. That is angle sum of triangle. Therefore theta we already got it as 60 degree. By substituting 60 plus 60 plus 90 gives us 60 plus 90 plus angle R 180 degree. Now angle R equal to 180 minus 60 plus 90 is nothing but 150. So angle R equal to 30 degree. So you got angle R also 30 degrees. That means angle R is nothing but angle PRQ. Therefore angle PRQ equal to 30 degree and angle QPR equal to 60 degree. So this is the answer. Now we will move on to the 8th question. It's given sine A minus B. For this you don't need to draw a diagram. Just you have to understand and think that. Now 8th question. Sine A minus B equal to 1 by 2. Cos A plus B equal to 1 by 2. And now we know that sine A minus B, that means just take it as sine theta. If suppose sine theta equal to 1 by 2. So as I said, the sine theta equal to 1 by 2 means sine theta equal to sine 30 degree. Yeah. So in the same way, so that means theta equal to 30 degree. So in the same way, sine A minus B will also be equal to 30 degree, and cos and in the same way cos will check. So if sine A minus B equal to 30 degree, you can directly write it as A minus B equal to 30. Therefore A minus B equal to 30 degree. In the same way, cos A plus B is equal to 1 by 2. In the same 1 by 2 is 60 degree for cos. So therefore a plus b equal to 60 degree and a minus b equal to 30 degree. Now we saw in the quadratic equation chapter that if it is like this, then it is by a substitution method or elimination method you can solve it. The better thing is solve by substitution method, because the variables are same and calculation also be easy. For example, a minus equal to 30 degree, a plus b equal to 60 degree. Now by elimination, this is elimination method. So minus, it will be minus 30 degree equal to minus 2b, therefore 15 degree. And a minus minus 15 degree equal to 30 degree for finding a, therefore a equal to 45. If 30 plus 15 is nothing but 45 degree. So you got angle A, angle B. Now our question is to find A and B. So we found A and B. Now we will move on to the exercise. Exercise number 1. It is given sin, evaluate the following. That means find the value of the following number. That means first is sin 60. Sin 60 into cos 30. Without any symbol means it is into cos 30 plus sin 30, and I will write it down, cos 60. Now also you know that sin 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 into and cos 30 is also nothing but root 3 by 2 plus sin 30 is nothing but 1 by 2 into sin 60 is also, cos 60 is also 1 by 2. By the table 8.1 you can see this, and you have to study the table, important for your exam. So 3 by 2, root 3 into root 3 is always root 3, and 2 into 2 it is 4, plus 1 into 1 1, 2 into 2 4 denominator, so 4. So 3 plus 1 it is 4, and by 4 is equal to 1. So the answer is 1, correct. Now we will look at the second question or the first part. It says that 2 tan 45 2 tan 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. Now 2 tan 45 is nothing but 2 into 1. Tan 45 is nothing but 1 plus cos square 30, and 1 square is nothing but here 1 square. So 1 square is nothing but 1, and cos square 30 degree. Cos square 30 degree is root 3 by square minus sin square 60 root 3 by 2 the whole square. 2 plus 3 by 4 therefore the value is 2. So the answer is correct. We'll check it back. So question number 3, cos 45 by sec 30 plus cosec 30. So cos 45 is nothing but 1 by root 2. Sec 30 is opposite of cos 30. That is reciprocal of cos 30. So it will be sec 30 is nothing but 2 by root 3 plus cosec 30 is nothing but sin 30 is reciprocal. So it will be 2. 1 by root 2 by 2, if you take LCM, 2 plus 2 root 3 by root 3. So if this comes up, it will be root 3 by 2 and by 2 plus 2 root 3. And if you rationalize, you have studied in class 9, that is root 3 by root 2 and 2 plus 2 root 3. So it will be 2 minus 2 root 3 and 2 minus 2 root 3. And now on rationalizing you will get this and this multiply, this and this multiply. And above thing, if you multiply, you can see the root 2 and here also 2 common is there. So it will become root 3 and root 2 and 1 minus root 3 by a plus b into a minus b. Using that identity we can solve this. So it will be 4 minus 4 into 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So root 3 into root 2 is root 6. And root 6 into 1 is root 6 minus root 6 into root 3, it is root 18. And 4 minus 12. And now root 6 minus root 18, we can write it as root 18 minus root 6 by 8. To eliminate this minus sign, we are changing the minus sign to root 6. Clear? And now then this is the answer. No need to simplify further. It is root 18 minus root 6 by 8. Now we will move on to the next question. That is fourth part. So we will move on to the fourth question. It says that sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosec 60 by sec 30 plus cos 60 cot 45. Now sin 30, as we know that it is 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 2 by root 3. This one you have to refer the table that is given in the 8.1 table, 8.1, the trigonometric ratios, and you have to understand the trick for finding those things, or you have to by heart thing. Sec that is reciprocal of cos 30, so it will be 2 by root 3 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. Cot 45 is nothing but tan 45 is reciprocal. So if you take LCM for the numerator and denominator and solve it, it will become root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4 minus 4 by 2 root 3, and the other one is 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3 by 2 root 3. So root 3 plus 2 root 3 3 root 3 minus 4 by 3 root 3 plus 4, because this root 2 root 3 plus root 3 gives us 3 root 3. Now on further rationalizing it, that is bringing this and changing the sign by both the things and multiplying is rationalizing. So 3 minus 4, we change the sign to minus, here minus but here plus, and by 3 root 3 minus 4. Now on multiplying, this one will become a minus b the whole square, this one will become a plus b into a minus b. The a plus b into a minus b gives us a square minus b square. Now we will do the first one. 3 3s are 9. This and this first. 3 3s are 9, 9s are 27. And minus 12 root 3 and minus 12 root 3 and plus 16. The other one is 3 is 9, 9 is 27 minus 16. And now this 27 and 16, if I add, it will be 43, and minus 12 by root 3 and minus 12 by 3, if you add means it will be minus 24 root 3 by 27 minus 16, it is nothing but 11. Therefore you got the answer as 43 minus 24 root 3 by 11. So this is how you do this fourth one. Now we will move on to the fifth one. Five cos square 60 plus 4 sec square 30 30 minus tan square 45. Let me write it again. 5 cos square 60 plus 4 sec square 30 minus 45. I know tan square 45, so I'll write it clearly down. Minus tan square 45 by sin square 30 plus cos square 30. So 5 cos square 60 is nothing but 5 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4 because it is cos square, plus 4 into sec square 30. Sec square 30 is opposite of cos square 30, as I said. So 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 is 4 by 2 by root 3 into 2 by root 3 is 4 by 3 minus 1. 1 square is 1. And the sin square 30 is 1 by 4. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4 plus cos square 30 is 4 by 3. And now 5, now we will write it again. By 4 plus 16 by 3 minus 1 plus by 4 are 12. Now LCM for the above thing is 5 are 15, or we will take, okay, 5 are 15, and 4 into 6 is, let me check it, 4 into 6, 64, therefore 64 by 12, the whole 3 plus 16 is 19 by 12, 12 cancel. Now here there is also minus 1, so you have to take LCM for that also, so it will become 12 by 12, and now so it will become so we can't cancel this actually, so it will be, do it again, so 15 plus 64 minus 12 by 19 by 12, and here also by 12 is there, and this 12 we can cancel. The above will become 67, so the answer will become 67 by 19. Now we will look at the second part, I mean the second question, and subdivisions are 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. So we will go look at the first one. It's written 2 tan 30 by 1 plus tan square 30 degree. It's also 30 degree. 2 tan 30 degree by 1 plus tan square 30 degree equal to how much? They gave option sin 60, option B cos 60, option C tan 60, option D sin 30. Now first we will solve it and then we will see which option is suitable for that. 2 into tan 30. 30 tan. That means tan 30 under which table it comes? 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 1 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 by 3 gives us 2 by root 3 by 3 plus 1 by 3. That is 2 by root 3 gives us 4 by 3. And 2 by root 3, if you bring it up, this thing up, it will be 3 by 4. And this you can cancel, and this you can cancel root 3. So it will become root 3 by 2. And so we got root 3 by 2. This can for this the value can be, we can predict as sine 60 degree, cos 30 degree, or only this much it will be. So in this two option, we can see option A, it is sine 60, so it can go, and option B, cos 60, it is not possible, only cos 30 is possible, and tan 60 not possible, sine 30 is not possible. So since any one option is there, we can put it correct. Multiple choice question, option A. Now we'll look at the another one. Second one says that 1 minus tan square 45 1 minus tan square 45 by 1 plus tan square 45 is how much? So first option is tan 90, 1, sin 45, or D 0. And tan 90, as we know that it is nothing but not defined, but we can't write. Okay, first we'll check whether it is coming or not, then we can write it is defined or not defined. And let me see what is defined and not defined difference. Defined, for example, 1 by 2, this is defined because 2 equal to 2 and 1, if you can say it becomes 0.5, or 2 by 1, it is defined because 2 is the answer. So you know that because of the numerator and denominator thing, we know that. If it is not defined, for example 0 by 4, we can write only 0, but since 0 is the numerator, it is always not defined, and 0 we can write. And if it is say for example 4 by 0, this is also defined, it comes under the category 0, so it is defined. But 4 by 0 is not defined because we don't know the answer for this. You can't write 0 directly or 4 directly, because 1, if it is there, means only we can write 4, therefore it is not defined, so we will write it as not defined. So now we will move on to the other question, which says that we have to find this. So now I think you understood the difference between defined and non-defined. Now we will move on to the question. 1 minus, and tan square 45 is nothing but 1 square by 1 plus 1 square, so it will be 1 minus 1 by 1 plus 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0 and 1 plus 1 is 2, so 0 by 2 is nothing but 0, therefore it is option. Now we can see the option that first it is not possible, second one also it is not possible, 1 it is not there, sin 45 is nothing but 1 by 2, it is 1 by root 2, that is also not possible. Then the only possible thing is option D, that is 0. So it is option D. And now we will look at the third one, which says that the new page, sin 2a, we'll write it down, sin 2a equal to 2 sin A is true when A equal to that. That means it's true when A equal to that, how much they are asking. So that means we have to find the value of A. So sine 2A equal to 2 sine A. So sine 2A we can write it as, and 2 also we can bring it over here. So otherwise we, okay, wait, so we'll bring 2 over there and see. Now if we bring 2 also, it won't make any sense because it will divide, but it won't divide because 2A is the angle degree and this 2 is sine A degree. So the better thing is substituting the values which is given in the option. For example, 0 degree, first option A, 0 degree sine 2 into 0 is, or what is sine 0 degree? It is nothing but 0. So 2 into 0 is 0. So it will become 0. And 2 sine A, 2 sine 0 degree, 2 into 0, 0. So this can be perfectly correct, but still we will check the other. For example, sine 2A, sine 2 into 45 degree. Yeah, I think instead of 50 is 30 degree. 30 degree equal to 2 sine 30 degree. Now we can see that sine 60, that means it will become, here it will become 2 sine 30, and sine 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2 equal to 2 sine 60 is sine 30. Sine 30 first you will find it is 1 by 2. So 2 to cancel, 1 equal to root 3 by 2. It is not equal. Not equal. The same way rest all are not equal. So option A, I think it is correct. So it is option A. Now we will move on to the fourth question. 2 tan 30. 2 tan 30 by 1 minus tan square 30. 2 tan 30 degree by 1 minus tan square 30 degree. Option A is cos 60 degree. Option B is sin 60 degree. Option C is tan 60 degree, sin 30 degree. Now we will solve it, then we will find which option it is suitable for. For example, 2 into tan 30 degree, so 1 by root 3, and 1 minus 1 by 3 because tan square. So this is the formula. This is the question. Now we have to solve it. 2 by root 3, and by taking LCM it will become 3 minus 1 by 3 equal to 2 by root 3 by 2 by 3, 2 by root 3 into 3 by 2, 2 cancel, root 3 cancel, it will become root 3 root 3 or root 3. Therefore root 3 can come in only one thing, that is two things, that is tan 60 or cot 30. Now option A is cos 60, it won't be possible. Sin 60 not possible. Tan 60 it is possible because one option is there. Cot 30 is not given, so we can write cot 60, but since the option is not given, so only tan 60 is possible, so it is option C. Now we will move on to the third part. It says that if tan A plus B, this one already we saw in the example, tan A plus B equal to root 3, and tan a minus b equal to 1 minus root 3. So tan a plus b, another tan a plus b equal to root 3. Root 3 it comes for, first we will see, look at the first question part. Tan a plus b equal to root 3, it comes for 60 degrees, so it will be tan 60 degree. You can't write directly 60 degree since you don't have any value of itself 60 degree or tan, it will be combined tan 60 degree. So this tan and this tan it will be can cancel, so it will be a plus b equal to 60 degree, and tan a minus b equal to tan 1 minus root 3 is written. So there is nothing related to 1 minus root 3 in our textbook. So it is better to solve. So I think it is, the question is wrong. It is 1 by root 3, not 1 minus root 3. So it will be 1 by root 3. As you know that 1 by root 3 it is given in the textbook, the value of 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is nothing but tan 30 degree. So tan cancel, like the same way tan cancel. So a minus b equal to 30 degree. Now the elimination part comes. As I said you already that we learned this in the quadratic equation. So by writing this from 1 and 2, a plus b equal to 60 degree, a minus b equal to 30 degree. Since a are cancelled, so we can do elimination method. So minus it will become, so 30 degree, 60 minus 30, 30 degree equal to, it will become plus, this will become minus, so this and this cancel. 2b equal to 30 degree, b equal to 15 degree, and a plus 15 equal to 60 degree. Therefore a equal to 45 degree. So now we got the answer as a equal to 45 degree and b equal to 15 degree. So they said to find a and b, so now we found. Now we will move on to the fourth question. State whether the following true or false. I think this is easy for you, so we will do first one, sin a plus b equal to sin a plus b. Yeah, some may think that, for example, this is fourth part, sin a plus b equal to sin a plus sin b. This confusion occurs because a plus b is together. A plus b normally becomes an angle. For example, a plus, so for example 30 plus 30. No, we will take some other example. For example 30 plus 60. So here it becomes 45. So it becomes together as sin 45. Sin 45. But if you solve like the other method, like for example sin a plus b, so it will become sin a plus sin b, which is wrong. You can't solve this method, because sin, usually we do not add sin 30 plus sin 40 or 60 degree, because sin 30 will be separate, sin 60 will be separate value, so you can't add. So this, by this proof we can say that this is wrong or this is false. Now we will move on to the next one, that is second one. The value of sin theta increases, theta increases. That is, in the table 8.1, you can see that sine A is given sine A and 0 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. And 45 degree is also given. So 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Now you can see that sine A for 0 degree it is 0, 30 degree it is 1 by 2, 45 degree it is 1 by root 2, 60 degree it is root 3 by 2, 90 degree it is 1. Now for example, between 0 and 1 it is lying these numbers. Say for example 0, and after that it will become take for example 0 to 1. If you divide into 4 parts, it will become 0, 1 by 2, that is half, and it will also become 1 by root 2 and root 3 by 2. This is 75 degree, 50 degree, 25 degree, and it will become 1. This is full. So we can say that it increases. For example, 0 to 1 by 2 it increased, and 1 by 2 to 1 by root 2 it increased. For example, 1 by root 2 and this one, if you check on another way, it will become root 2. If you rationalize, it will become 2, which is greater than 1 by 2. Yeah, so this increased. And now if we check this 1 by 2, root 2 by 2 and root 3 by 2 increase, root 2 and root 3, root 2 is, the root 3 is greater than root 2. Therefore we can say that it keeps on increasing. And after that, root 3 by 2 and 1. Now 2 and root 3 will always come less than 1. This one you have to understand. Any value, like for example root 2, root 3, root 4 it don't come, but till root 3 it is always less than 1 it will be. But example root 4 if you take and 2, it will become 2 by 2. So it will become 1 exactly. So of course the number below it will always lie less than 1. Therefore this contradicts, or this fact says us that the sine theta increases from 0 to 1. So we can say that it is true. Now we will move on to the other one. Say that the value of cos theta increases as theta increases. Now if you look at the table in the same way, if I solve, means it is 1, then root 3 by 2, then it is 1 by root 2, then 1 by 2, then 0. As you can see that it lies between 1 and 0. That means decreasing. It is decreasing. So we can say that it is not increasing, rather it is decreasing. Or for example, we saw that it increases from in the sine theta, same thing increases as you go from right to left, but left to right it decreases in cos theta. So we can say that it is decreasing, so it is false. They gave the value of increases, so it is false. They gave decrease, then it is true. Now we will look on the other one. Sin theta equal cos theta for all values of theta. Sin theta equal cos theta means theta is any value, that is for degree. For example, theta equal to 30 degree. Okay, so sin 30 equal to cos 30. We can't say this because sin 30 is 1 by 2 and it is root 3 by 2, which is not equal. Therefore we can say that it is not equal for value of theta. But only one angle is equal, that is 45. Theta 45. For example, sin 45 degree equal to cos 45 degree, because it is also 1 by root 2 and it is also 1 by root 2. Therefore this contradicts that Sin theta equal cos theta is not equal for all the angles, only for 45 degree. Therefore it is yes, sin theta is for all values, therefore it is false. Now the other one, cot A is not defined for A equal to 0. In the table you can see that cot A, it is said that it is not defined for 0. So by that we can say that it is not defined. So, and otherwise you can say that tan A is 0. So cot A is always reciprocal. Tan A equal to 0, cot A equal to 1 by tan A. We already learned that. So cot A equal to 1 by tan A for 0, so it will be 1 by 0. As we saw, that what is non-defined, clearly the differentiate, so this is non-defined. So this is how it becomes not defined. So it is true that it is not defined. So we have come to the end of the exercise, and in my next video I will be uploading the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. That is the complementary angle is nothing but, for example, sin 90 minus a cos a, that I will be explaining in my next video. And by this I have come to the end of this lesson, and if you like it, please subscribe it, and I will be solving the examples along with the exercise in my next video. Thank you. And if you like it, please share it and subscribe it. Thank you.